Hi, this is Kelsey Small. I'm Kelsey Small, let's say that. Hi, I'm Kelsey Small in the Ooni test kitchen, and today we're making a Detroit-style Hawaiian pizza for National Hawaiian Pizza Day. For the dough, we have a Detroit-style pizza dough, which is a slightly higher hydration than a Neapolitan dough. It's been proofing in my pan overnight. We have some Black Forest ham, and we also have some banana peppers that are gonna go on it to add a little kick. A Detroit-style pizza, you're gonna have dried mozzarella or brick cheese, and you're gonna top generously in these small cubes, pretty much every inch of the pizza. With Detroit-style pizzas, you sauce above the cheese too. What we'll do is basically do like 2 racing stripes down long ways down the pizza with some tomato sauce, which we've just seasoned with some salt and a little oregano. And we wanna do these racing stripes. It's kind of like you get a little bit of cheese sauce in every bite. Some bites are super crunchy, some bites are super gooey. And now we're gonna top it with Black Forest ham, pineapples, and banana peppers. So we'll do the ham first. And when you're topping the pizza, you wanna make sure you get a little bit of each topping in each bite. So you don't wanna go super overload and piled, but I like to top from the crust in, so that way your last bite is just as good as your first. And then we'll do some banana peppers. These are pretty spicy ones, so we'll go a little lighter. When I'm slicing pineapple pizza, I like to slice them super thin, so it kind of like gets a little cooked as opposed to just still taste like a raw piece of pineapple. All right, a little Parmesan, and now this guy's ready to go in the oven. The floor's at about 720 right now. So what we're gonna do is launch our pie, and then we're gonna just turn the flame immediately down to its lowest setting. We're just gonna give it a turn, because with the coat of 16, the back corner you can see is gonna get a little color faster than everyone else. It's been about 10 minutes, and the pizza has been turned 2 or 3 times, and it's looking ready to roll. All right, our pizza's done. It's still in the pan. We wanna get it out of the pan pretty quickly, or else it'll get soggy, it won't stay crispy. We're gonna check the bottom, looks awesome. So now it's time to slice. Nothing goes better with a Hawaiian pizza than a little bit of homemade ranch. We're gonna dip and enjoy. Dang, that looks pretty good. It was a little messy though, huh? A little too much ranch. For more recipes, go to Ooni.com. And I can't eat all this pizza by myself, so come on and enjoy.